Here are 11 gardening tips that will save you money this gardening season. While I know it's tempting to gravitate to the big hanging baskets and the pots teeming with multiple blooms, you can achieve the same result at home at a fraction of the cost. If you stick to buying smaller and planting early, your plants will fill out their spaces given time. Sometimes the best things in life take a little patience. The beautiful thing about gardening is that you don't need a bunch of fancy tools or pots to get started. Think about how you can repurpose what you already have, whether that's starting seeds in yogurt containers, creating a natural planter out of an old stump, or using an old piece of furniture in your design. Also consider what you can find secondhand by shopping thrift stores, online markets, and even roadside finds. Friends and family are another great resource for borrowing tools, trading decor, and gifting plant cuttings. If you don't have enough sunlight in your garden, don't buy full sun plants. Vice versa if you have no shade. Take into account your garden conditions like temperature, sun exposure, soil type, and proximity to obstacles. Your best bet for longevity is to stick to native plants and focus on what grows well in your area of the world. That might mean you focus on xeriscaping for the desert, tropical plants for the hot and humid climates, and cold hardy plants for the cooler nights and temperate summers. Accepting the limitations of your space will go a long way in allowing you to cultivate a thriving garden. Propagation is a great way to turn one plant into many. The easiest are plants that propagate with cuttings. This means you can snip off a piece of the plant and allow it to grow roots in water or soil. Succulents like sedum, mizu, portulaca, and cacti are beginner-friendly. Some other popular varieties are different kinds of vines, herbs, and woody plants. Growing seeds is the ultimate savings hack, but it's not for everyone. Some seeds can be sown outdoors, but you'll need to wait until after your last frost. So for cooler climates, you might be better off buying established plants so you can enjoy your garden for longer. You can also try starting seeds indoors, but you'll probably need a grow light to get the best results. I personally like to have a combination of seeds and established plants in my garden. That way I have constant blooms throughout the summer. This is also a good way to grow veggies to ensure a continuous harvest and avoid waste. While annuals are beautiful additions to any garden, there are so many amazing perennials that will come back year after year. Some of my favorite flowering perennials are trailing roses, crepe myrtles, peonies, dianthus, and coreopsis. And while you may spend more upfront buying perennials, you'll spend less in the long term as you're investing in your garden for years to come. In the age of technology, gardening has never been easier. There are so many free apps, articles, and forums that you can use to help you understand your plants. Apps like Picture This help you identify plants while teaching you about their specific needs. This works as a great starting point for someone with little gardening experience. Some plants are easier to grow than others, and when you're just starting out, choosing plants that fit your skill level can be the difference between enjoying gardening and being frustrated that you wasted money. Picking easy-to-grow, low-maintenance plants will save you a headache and allow you to grow confidence in your gardening skills, so you can take on new plants as you learn. Shopping for discounts is another great way to save money. Keep an eye out for sales, clearance finds, and places that offer warranties. If your local stores don't have a designated clearance section, it never hurts to ask if they will discount wilted or damaged plants. Some of our best finds were plants that were about to be thrown out. You should also ask about your store's return and warranty policy. Some of my local nurseries offer 3 to 6 month warranties on perennials, but some bigger stores like Lowe's offer a 1-year warranty. If you know what you like, buying in bulk can help your budget go a long way. That might mean you're buying entire flats of the same plants, or that you're going to a materials yard to source soil, mulch, or gravel. And when the gardening season comes to a close, a final option is bringing your potted plants inside to overwinter until spring. Not every plant is suited for this, but if you have the space and can provide the right conditions, it's another way you can save on your gardening budget each year. If you have any tips and tricks that I didn't mention today, feel free to leave them in the comment section below.